these things right here.
Daris got his new 85-inch. Are you excited, Daris?
Fucking right I am.
Look how big this box is, the size. Makes Daris look like Peter Dinklage.
It ain't that big. Now, if I had that damn Samsung wall, was that 112? No, that's it's like 2 something. Oh, shit. That TV's like $80,000, I think. Remember when we went to Home-A-Rama, I think they had one, we thought that was huge. It was like 8 foot. Okay. I work with Lehman. This packed better than the last TV.
That's the stand. So he's doing a complete re-system set today, including Yamaha 4K receiver, the new Sony Bravia 4K. And he's already got numerous Polk audio. We're gonna do, what, a 7.1 setup? Yeah, 7.1 setup, 6 speakers, center channel, and subwoofer. This is gonna be the ultimate gaming setup.
Yeah. Hold on, what's that?
Trying to find studs for this monster here. Got the mounts on it. Patiently waiting
for a TV to explode on.
Takes a lot of power to hold up an 85-inch TV.
Yes, it does.
Especially when you're dealing with studs. It's breathtaking. It's like the first time that people saw the Titanic at Port Daris. It was a ship ahead of its time. You won't be able to tell. All right, so now you'll see, if you try to tilt it, you see how it won't stay up.
Yeah, where's the kid?
Right there. All right, so Grafton, me and you are gonna push right about there, Daris. That's where you wanna lock it in.
Where?
You should see it on the side. Right there in front of you, yeah, those. Clockwise.
Yeah, even when you want to think about yourself.
He just finished the custom Call of Duty. You got that Galvin Knuckles, Spork, Monkey, Speed Cola, Rega, Mark II, and the Homunculus custom COD TV stand. You gotta have the only COD TV stand in the world to go with the 85-inch 4K TV.
It'd be nice if I had a fucking juggernaut refrigerator too.
Oh.
But, you know, I got a real refrigerator.
Yeah, but...
And it was free.
You know, you can accomplish anything you set your mind to, Daris.
I feel like someone would have this TV, a TV right there, and a TV.
So that's the TV or the receiver that you're setting up?
TV.
Okay.
Right here, open, install Google app. Tyler say, okay, Googles. Get on the goddamn ground.
If that don't wake your ass up. Look at all that green.
Crispiness. Look at the color spilling out of the Xbox logo.
4K Xbox One logo. That shit ought to fucking like be like holographic out of the screen.
It should be. Motherfucker. Goddamn.
What happened to those? I remember like 2 or 3 years ago they were saying they were gonna make a 3D TV that you didn't have to wear glasses for. Do you remember that? They were talking about that technology. What happened to that?
Yeah, and you know it's weird, like they still release 3D movies, but none of the new TVs
Are 3D. I bought one of those 3D TVs, used it one time.
My
Like,
TV, my Sharp was a 3D.
was it?
Mm-hmm.
You had the glasses and shit?
Nope.
Ooh, look at that message.
Enhanced feature.
Drink your Canada Dry and get that fucking game going. 7 hours later. Oh, we might need to look at that resolution. Ugh. The fuck? That shit even says Xbox One on your receiver, don't it?
Yeah.
So like it identified it.
It was on, yeah. Yeah.
Because you didn't type that in.
Yeah.
Okay.